Hello everyone, welcome back. Today I'll be making super yummy cheesy veg momos with simple yet flavorful filling. With just a handful of fresh ingredients and lots of cheese. They are going to be an absolute treat. Here are the list of ingredients required for the dough and the filling. Let us start by preparing the dough. In a mixing bowl, combine 1 cup of maida, salt to taste, and then gradually add water to knead it into a soft dough. Grease it with a little oil or you can even cover it with a damp cloth and then let this sit for 20 minutes. Now, for the filling, heat oil in a pan. Once the oil is hot, add in finely chopped cabbage. Saute it for a minute or two. Then, add in grated carrot. Saute it for 2 more minutes on medium flame. Add in 1/4 teaspoon of ginger garlic paste, salt to taste, black pepper powder and a teaspoon of soya sauce. Give everything a good mix and you can turn off the flame. Let this mixture cool down and once it cools down you can add in the grated cheese to this mixture and give everything a good mix and your filling is ready. Now that our filling is ready and the dough has also rested for 20 minutes, let's start shaping the momos. For that, start by kneading the dough for a second. Make small balls out of the dough. You can roll it into thin circles, dusting some maida on the countertop. Make sure when you are making this process, the rest of the dough you are covering it with a damp cloth so that the dough do not dry up. You can add a small amount of filling in the center, fold it into a half moon or semicircle shape, gently pinching the edges together to seal them. Seal the edges tightly so that the filling do not come out when we are steaming the momos. Now, this is a simple shape. You can directly steam the momos just like this, or to make it a little more creative, you can simply join the two edges of this semicircle and make this lovely pattern. Similarly, you can do the same with rest of the dough. To steam the momos, take a large pan and add enough water. Then place a stand or rack inside the pan. Grease a plate or tray with oil. Arrange the momos on it with some space between them. Put the tray on the stand, bring the water to a boil and then cover the pan with a lid. Let this steam for about 10 to 12 minutes on medium flame. Our delicious momos are now ready to be served. Serve them immediately with your favorite sauce and enjoy. If you love this recipe, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the CookHub.